What's up world? I got a brand new video for y'all today. And here I'm gonna be unwrapping some more apparel. Another collab. I can't wait to show y'all. So right here today, man, I have the Diamond & Supply Co. collaboration with Cameron. Dipset's own Cameron. Purple Haze. This was for the Purple Haze 2 release. So I can't wait to show y'all the collabs for this, man. The shirts are fire. Beautiful. So if you're a fan of Diamond or you're a fan of Dipset, Killer Cam, you like purple and all that stuff, go support. You'll love this shirt right here, man. It's cool. Y'all see that, right? Y'all see that? Y'all see that, right? Y'all see that? That's that Cameron and Diamond Supply, man. Can't wait to open this for y'all. Ooh, I'm hyped. I'm hyped. This is one right here. This that drip right here for real. This that drip. Y'all see? Yeah, y'all see Fleet. Y'all see Killer, right? Y'all see Killer. Y'all see Fleet. For the Purple Haze fans right here, y'all see it. Diamond Supply and Killer, man. This shit is fire. Y'all see that world? Killer Cam and Diamond Supply, man. Fire. Can't wait to wear this. Fire. They got Cameron pixelated inside of the diamond, man, with the Purple Haze image, the Purple Haze cover. Shout out to Diamond Supply and Killer for this, man. This is too fire.